I would say tips to succeed in 2025 as a real estate agent is putting yourself out there. Putting yourself out there in places you would never put yourself in to begin with. Be out there making connections, okay? Do not think you can't learn from older or younger, depending on where you fit age bracket. Mingle with people you never thought you would mingle with. Put yourself out there. That would be the first thing, okay? Get out of your comfort zone. Second would be definitely use your social media platform. Whichever whichever platform is your favorite, use it to your advantage, okay? Create another account. Introduce yourself, right? Let people know what you're about, okay? Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Push yourself in social media. We have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have Snapchat, we have YouTube, okay? There Instagram. We have so many platforms right now that you can put yourself out there, create reels, okay? Connect with people from out of state, all right? That may be looking to come into your state, buy in your state, or sell in your state. It's important to use social media in this day and age that we're in, 2025, to build your 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 fear. And I would say stay consistent. Stay consistent. Stay consistent. Keep your eyes on the prize. Continue to go back to your why, okay? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? For me, it was for my peace of mind. It was for me to work for myself, okay? To bet on myself. So every time I get discouraged and I'm like, I can't continue this, I can't post another YouTube video, I go back to my why. Like, Joelle, there's people out there that want you. They're counting on you. Remember, you're their accountability partner. So you can't leave them hanging, right? So I always go back to my why and I keep my consistency. I continue to show up. The more you show up, it will reward you. Your real estate career will reward you, okay? And that's anything entrepreneurship, not only real estate, okay? That goes to me in my YouTube content creating, me building my building my planner, building my consistency so people know I mean business. I'm serious, okay? I'm here for you. I'm here to give you something. And I'm serious about what I'm doing. So the more you're consistent, the more people believe in you, the more people trust you, okay? And people will feel more comfortable to be like, you know what? I want you. I want to work with you. I want to work with you. So stay consistent. Again, you guys, thank you so much for coming along, watching this video with me. Again, real estate is doable as long as you stay consistent, you guys. It's all about consistency in the year of 2025. And again, if you need any mentorship, accountability, or any guidance when it comes to the presence of social media, click on my link in the bio. You'll see my link for my stand store. I'm available for you guys, okay? So any help with that, please feel free, check it out. But again, please give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Share it, like it, and if you have not joined the Joelle Your Agent family, I don't know what you're waiting for. But you guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.